Hey guys, welcome to Tech Chef. I'm TJ and today I will be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. This is the front of the box and it hints away at the chosen color of this device. The left of the box has the text Samsung Galaxy Note 10. The right is blank. The bottom of the box has the model number as well as the color. And on the back, you have some of its specs. You can pause and read it. Let's get this opened. After sliding the box out like so, you are greeted with the phone. Let's take a look at the accessories first. Here is your SIM card removal tool, information on Samsung Pay, quick start guide, and the warranty card. This also houses the included case for the Galaxy Note 10. Let's put the phone aside. Here is your super fast charger. The USB to USB-C cable comes in this packaging. Here is the AKG earphones and replacement buds. In this box, it houses the replacement tips and the tool used to replace the S Pen tips. Here is the phone itself. On the left, you have the power and the volume buttons. On the top, it has the SIM card tray, speaker and microphone port. On the bottom, you have the microphone, USB Type-C, speaker grill and S Pen slots. And the right is blank. The color of this phone must be one of my ultimate favorites. Note 10, well done. The aura glow is simply out of this world. The way the light catches on this phone is amazing. Taking a closer look at the triple cameras on the back. You have a 16 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12 megapixel dual pixel wide angle lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. There is also an LED flash. Some of the phone specs include a 6.3-inch Full HD Dynamic AMOLED screen, an Exynos 9825 octa-core CPU, a 3500 mAh battery. The front has a 10 megapixel camera, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, an S Pen. The phone has 256 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM. It supports super fast charging and wireless charging, as well as wireless power share. It is also IP68 water and dust resistant. Here is the case mentioned earlier. It is a soft gel type case, and the phone comes with a pre-installed plastic screen protector. The case will protect it against light scratches. There is no lip protection on the sides. Shout out to Jeannie for letting me unbox her phone. All in all, this phone is a powerhouse and I highly recommend you check it out. The epicness of the aura glow color needs to be experienced in person. Unfortunately, this phone does not have a headphone jack, but I wouldn't let that be a deal breaker. Build quality from Samsung is exceptional as always. Guys, thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. What was the best looking color from a phone you've owned?